Get ready to travel back in time with a modern twist, because Ford is bringing serious retro vibes to the 2026 Bronco lineup. To celebrate the 60th anniversary of the legendary Bronco, Ford is rolling out a special 60th anniversary edition that's sure to ignite the hearts of classic SUV lovers and collectors alike. The iconic Bronco first hit the roads back in 1966, and next week marks exactly 60 years since its original debut. In honor of that legacy, Ford has unveiled a nostalgic trim that perfectly blends vintage aesthetics with modern engineering. This new edition is not about overhauling off-road performance. It's about paying homage to history while still standing tall on today's rugged trails. Built exclusively on the Outer Banks trim, the 60th Anniversary Bronco will come with the choice of two powertrains: the tried-and-true 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder, or the more robust 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 for those who crave additional muscle. As a bonus, the always popular Sasquatch package comes standard, bringing with it serious off-road chops. That includes a high-clearance suspension, front and rear electronic locking differentials, a revised final drive ratio, and 35-inch Goodyear all-terrain tires, ready for mud, rocks, and whatever else the great outdoors throws your way. But what really sets the 60th Anniversary Bronco apart are its retro design elements. At first glance, the 17-inch gravity gray alloy wheels stand out, sporting vermilion red center caps that nod to the original 1966 hubcap design. That same vermilion red finds its way onto the front grille lettering, giving it a bold, nostalgic signature. Two classic paint options will be available: Wimbledon white with a matching roof, and ruby red with a contrasting Wimbledon white roof. Both options scream vintage cool while maintaining that modern Bronco toughness. A new rear tire cover with a red Bronco badge, matte black tailgate badging, and standard running boards complete the exterior upgrades, enhancing both style and functionality. Inside the cabin, Ford has added even more exclusive touches. Look closely and you'll see embossed 60th anniversary logos stitched onto the seatbacks, along with Bronco red accents on the dashboard and grab handles. A special center console plaque proudly commemorates the milestone, while the A-pillars feature model-specific grab handles, adding a unique flair you won't find on any other Bronco trim. While Ford hasn't revealed official pricing for this special edition just yet, sales are scheduled to begin in October 2025, so fans won't have to wait too long to snag this retro-inspired ride. Whether you're a longtime Bronco enthusiast or someone new to the brand, the 60th Anniversary Edition offers something special: a piece of Bronco history wrapped in modern capability. It's worth noting that this edition isn't about pushing the envelope in performance. Instead, it focuses on nostalgic design cues, collector appeal, and honoring a legacy that stretches back 6 decades. For Ford, it's a celebration of what made the Bronco a household name: rugged, reliable, and undeniably cool. So if you're a fan of retro rides with modern power, or you've been waiting for the perfect time to join the Bronco family, the 2026 60th Anniversary Edition might just be the SUV you've been dreaming of. Vintage never looked so capable.